Welcome back. In our previous lessons, we've used the terms AI, machine learning, and deep learning. These are often used interchangeably, which causes a lot of confusion. In this lesson, we will focus exclusively on clearing up what each term means and how they relate to each other. The absolute best way to understand the difference is to visualize them as nested concepts, like a set of Russian dolls. They aren't separate things, they are layers of the same idea. We have the biggest doll on the outside, a smaller one inside it, and an even smaller one inside that. Let's open them up one by one. The biggest doll, the all-encompassing field, is artificial intelligence. AI is the broad, foundational dream that started back in the 1950s. It represents the entire scientific goal of creating machines that can in any way simulate human intelligence, reasoning, or behavior. It's the big idea. A simple analogy can help here. Think of the concept of a vehicle. This is a very broad term that includes anything designed for transportation. It could be a car, a bicycle, a boat, or an airplane. Vehicle is the big picture idea, just like artificial intelligence is. Now, let's look at the next doll inside, machine learning. Machine learning, or ML, is a subset of AI. It is not AI itself, but rather the most popular and powerful approach * we currently use to achieve AI. It's a specific technique based on the idea that we don't have to program rules by hand. We can let the machine learn the rules for itself by finding patterns in data. Let's go back to our analogy. If AI is the broad concept of a vehicle, then machine learning is like the internal combustion engine. Is the engine the only way to power a vehicle? No, you could have sails or pedals. But the engine is the most common, versatile, and powerful technology we've invented to make most vehicles go. ML is the engine that drives modern AI. Finally, let's open the smallest doll, deep learning. Deep learning is a specialized subset of machine learning. It's a more advanced technique that uses complex, multi-layered structures called neural networks. These networks are loosely inspired by the human brain and are exceptionally good at finding very subtle and complex patterns in massive datasets. To complete our analogy, if machine learning is the engine, then deep learning is like a modern, high-performance, turbocharged F1 engine. It's still an engine, but it's a far more complex, powerful, and specialized version. You wouldn't use it in every car, but for high-performance tasks like winning a race, it's the best tool for the job. Deep learning excels at tasks like understanding speech or powering self-driving cars. So, let's quickly review the relationship. Artificial intelligence is the overall goal. Machine learning is the primary method we use to achieve that goal today. And deep learning is a powerful and advanced tool within the toolbox of machine learning. Simple as that. And now you know. The confusion is cleared. When you hear these terms, you can now confidently picture the Russian dolls and understand the exact relationship between them. This is a huge step in your learning journey. In our next lesson, we'll cover some other key terminology that will help you understand the world of AI. See you there.